We are trading on day number 4, and we're just getting in here, getting it all cracked open. I'm going to open up this trading sheet, and we're going to talk about how it really goes down. What really goes down? This is called the mountain climb. The financial strategy here is called the mountain climb. And we're on day 4. There's your candle whisperer, Todd. And what in the binoculars?
I made this guy.
Dude, that's pretty sweet looking. I like that. What is he? I've never seen him, have I? Oh, dude,
Yeah,
he's got
he's got LED eyes and everything.
dude, yeah. That's pretty cool.
The only thing he's kind of a defect because he's missing a body,
Who cares? He doesn't need a body if you got a head that cool.
but okay, but he's like my other guy. So he was meant to have a body and he was going to have arms that come all the way around your neck and they velcro and around your body. So he looks like he's holding on to it and you can walk around with him and and stuff and he looks like
So
but
why is he so where's his body? I mean, is that just cuz
I
you're
never made
lazy?
one. He was kind of a prototype. It was the first one I made. But Heidi doesn't like the big heads. What do you think of the big head? Do you think it's cool or do you think it's just too big and
Dude,
weird?
I think it's awesome. What do you mean she doesn't like the big heads? That's crazy. Um
Yeah.
well, I
Just
mean,
thought
that's
I'd show that off, a little show and tell like we
a little
do
show and
sometimes
tell.
on here.
Yeah. Well.
I've never shown this guy before, so um, let me
Okay.
go ahead and share the love around here, share the feed.
Why are you trying to
While
share the feed? You think our Facebook friends want to see this?
I think that we'll make them jealous, dude. They're gonna be like wishing that they were in on this
They'll be
crap.
like, I wish I was doing binary options too. Everybody else is doing it. I wish I was doing it.
Yeah,
All right.
who wouldn't want to be doing it?
We're gonna tear this up. I'm gonna give Todd his thing. Our goal is tonight. We're on level 4 in our trading sheet, and right here on the page, you have to win $8.81 total, which really you only have to win $8.59, I guess. So your goal is 425, 425.27. That's what you have to be. And you started at 416.
Uh, we started at what now?
You're starting at 416.68 is what you have in your account. You need to get to 425.27, and your first trade is $2.80. When you're ready to write the trades down, let me know. I'll put them in there. I'll tell you. And we'll be clearing level 4 tonight, hopefully. And with
Yeah, and if we do really well, if we have a winning streak like that, I think we'll clear 4 and 2 trades into 5, and then we'll clear the other 2 tomorrow, and then the next 4.
now slow down there, Sonny.
I'm
Just
just
as
getting
many as you can get
ambitious.
in an hour. We got an hour.
Just getting ambitious here.
We're already
Okay,
3 minutes into this whole mess, and you ain't done no trading yet.
but we did share the stream so everybody knows we's on
Okay,
here now.
yeah, all those
All right,
people are
so
just holding their breath every night, saying, "Please
yeah,
go
we're
on
gonna
there."
make some money here.
Dude,
Let's get rich.
let's get rich
We
on binary
getting
options.
rich. We're gonna get rich.
He does need a body. He does. Now that you've pointed it out, I was so amazed by what he looks like. Now that you
Well,
pointed out,
first I had to design. Okay, so I had to get the design now. These teeth are called pumpkin teeth. You buy these, you fit these in jack o' lanterns. That's what they do. But
okay,
I
well,
hot glued them into this guy. But it looks like this tooth here. Where is it? I'm looking at the screen, so it's kind of
you
backwards.
need to get your crap together. That's what I'm saying.
looks like a daggone middle finger or something.
His tooth. Oh, it does kind of. Yeah. All right. We're gonna get ready to trade, but first, Todd's gonna have to grow up and get his crap together. Oh, yeah.
I'm
All
front
right.
and center in the video here, man.
Oh yeah, man. Here we go. Front and center is the trading screen, and
I gotta
yeah, you
open
gotta
up
get.
my daggone pocket options so I can see what the crap we're doing. All right, you better tell me what the trades are so that I know
Okay.
what we're trading here. Let me write this down. Okay, go ahead. Give me some numbers.
$2.80.
280.
420.
420.
1050.
1050. Well, these numbers is getting higher by the
2630.
630.
2630.
2630. Boy, that's a dang big number there.
Yeah, and if you blow out, you're blowing out 4380.
Which means that we've made $30 or so since we started. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's get to it.
So we doing the $2.80 makes sense here.
$2.80 in the trade window.
That's what I got on here. Okay, and what we're looking for is just like last night. We're looking for some turnarounds.
I hope you don't screw it up tonight. You know what I'm saying,
bro? I am planning to not screw anything up. All right, so look at Apple, dude. What do you think of Apple? Do you think it's going to turn around here? It's been a big uptrend. It's already overbought. That was a big last green candle, so I don't think it's going to turn around just yet.
Yeah, it was a big candle. A big candle.
If it does appear to be turning around, I don't think I'm going to take that because this is too big of a candle.
Yeah, it's not. It's not.
Because I'm looking for some sort of a slowdown. That's too much momentum going up. And but it doesn't even appear to be at any kind of a resistance.
This is not. This is way too big. I mean, why are you even talking about this one?
Well, we're just getting warmed up here, just making sure we know what's out there.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you got?
I mean, Apple might turn around. It might go back to the white line, but then again, you don't know. That's not going to engulf that green candle.
No, heck no.
Probably.
All right. So what kind of chart you seeing? You seeing anything that looks like it's about to turn around?
I'm looking. See a lot of wicks. See a lot of big candles.
Okay.
Oh, odd NZD OTC right now. You have 50 seconds. Odd NZD. You have 45 seconds.
Okay.
It went up. It engulfed the candle.
All right. It's overbought.
I'm not thinking that's too bad, really. I mean, yeah. I mean, I think that's.
You want me to enter it at the candle, right?
Let's stick with that unless we think. I don't know that this.
Because I don't know that this isn't going to wick out. This is not
right. It hit that line. It hit the wick line of that green candle. If it would have to go all the way down to that wick. It would just
the last time it did it, the candle engulfed the last one, and went down 2 more candles after.
Yeah, it would have
this
to.
This one is not going to be a. This is.
Although
not,
if this is a doji, then maybe let's keep watching it because it might engulf the next one. See, yeah, this is fine. Okay, so if this next one goes red and goes,
I think it's going to go up.
I think if it engulfs the flags, then you'd be okay, but it might go up. Yeah, I just saw it. I mean, that did look like it was setting up to go down. Surely it did.
Yeah, this one I think is going to go up. Yeah, see, and that's how you know because it didn't engulf the candle. It just it was a smaller candle. So
I'm going to watch this because
it might still turn around here in a second or two.
It does look like it's ripe for. It does look like it's ripe for a turnaround. Although it's been going in an uptrend, it's been going up, but it wants to go back to the white line. So watch this candle here. I would have to say before I'd want to enter on this, I'd want it to be engulfing all the way down past those flags. But now that it's heading up, then I guess what if the next candle's red and it does engulf this green candle?
Well, look down a little ways. You'll see that there's a green candle, then a doji, and then a big red candle. You see that down there?
Where?
Hey, Alex, what's up?
Yeah, a green candle, a doji, then a big red candle.
And then it went back up after that. So the doji, while sometimes that means it's going to go down, in that case, it just kind of...
But this chart is definitely going up and then going down and then going up and then going down and then going up and then going down.
Yeah.
So if this one engulfs, I'd say I'm going to keep an eye on odd NZD right now.
Here eventually it's going to turn around. I mean, it's not a matter of if, it's a when.
I think it's going to. I think we could win on that one, but I'm going to keep looking. Apple. Okay, Apple's going up still. Apple's going to turn around too. So odd NZD and Apple, I've dragged them over to my left side because I think they're both going to turn around pretty soon. I mean, Apple's obviously still setting up. American Express is, you know, I don't know what that's doing. That's not really good yet. I mean, it's oversold, so
It is oversold. That it is.
I don't know that it's really engulfing anything. It's kind of already engulfing. It's,
Well, Cisco's kind of we're late to the party on it, but that's not one I would have taken because
it's too big.
It's too big of a green candle, and I would not have taken that. It's too risky.
I'm not so sure now. I mean, if this candle engulfs that green candle, then that's still kind of outside of our wheelhouse. But like right now, I mean, I don't know if it's going down or not. I still think Odd and ZD
you
are.
You got
to
catch it on that very next candle.
Yeah, American Express, Cisco. Yeah, Cisco's kind of farting around. It might just, after it's had 2 minutes of down pressure, it could easily just go back up. You got to get it. Yeah, you got to get it
when the momentum is there.
Like Facebook 3 minutes ago had a nice engulfing red candle and then a huge downtrend. That would have been perfect. Facebook would have been perfect 4 minutes ago.
So the Apple, I'm looking at Apple now.
It's engulfed. Yeah,
I don't know what I don't like about I mean
if it breaks that candle, if it breaks that candle wick, I mean right now it could be consolidating. It looks like
it started lower. They didn't these two candles did not start at the same price point, or this red candle did not start where the last one ended.
Yeah, but it's engulfed. It's probably going to go down, dude. You could probably.
Are you going to take it?
If it ends below that wick, then yeah.
Because right now it's looking like
it's retracting now. I wouldn't do it now. No, it's retracting. No.
Bad deal.
Yeah, I mean, you can take whenever you're ready. I just don't know that I believe that it's not. I don't believe it yet. It'd have to get below that wick and stay there.
It has to be sure, and that's not sure. I mean, it is.
Oh crap! Odd and ZD. Yeah, that wouldn't have been an entry, but it might. Yeah, it just.
Oh yeah, wouldn't have been a good entry because it still could consolidate.
Yeah, but that was.
It looks like it does look like it wants to break downward. I mean,
which one? Apple.
Odd NZD. That is gonna break down. I mean, I'm positive.
Yeah, it engulfed it. I mean, I'm not so sure I wouldn't.
But it's just kind of hanging right there. Like I don't know.
It would have to start going because right now it could totally just consolidate. It's not moving. It's not got enough down pressure, does it?
No.
No, it's got.
It looks like it wants to, but it's not doing it. So it could just go back up.
See, that's a dangerous. That's a lot of times I get in on those, and that's dangerous because it's like it's too close.
Yeah. See, now it's like
Yes, Alejandro. All right, I was looking at the new chart at the Dropbox, and according to the chart, all I need is 4 wins net. I just got them, so that means I stop right. Yes, till tomorrow. Exactly. That's why I love this method. You're going to kill it. If you were doing the other one, you're going to kill this one because 4 net wins. And yeah, see, this is let's look at Apple. What's Apple doing? Apple's. Yeah, see, all these charts are blown. Oh man. Yeah, see, Pfizer. Yeah, a lot of these charts, man, we got to be careful tonight because it looks like you're getting like one red candle that breaks the green, and then it still just goes back straight up.
Right. And oh crap, dude, Euro RUB. Son of a freaking gun. I missed that, dude. I missed it. I could still take it.
You could take it when it dips. Yeah, you could take it when it dips, but it's consolidating. I'd wait till
I'm dipping it. No, I'm taking it because, dude, this is gonna shoot back up. I think.
Okay, because it did break it broke the candle.
Dude, it broke, and this looks like it's gonna go back up. I will be dang surprised if it don't. This is going to that white line.
Well, you're lucky that it dipped.
Yeah, it dipped, and dude, we're gonna win this because, dude, look at that, dude, that's freaking massive because it went. The stochastic went below. Went into Well, it's oversold and it's cricking up. So I'm pretty sure. Oh crap. Well, maybe I was pretty sure.
You got a little bit of time.
I got some time. Yeah, for some odd reason that. Well, that okay. I don't know.
How do you doubt yourself?
Well, I don't know. Well, because it just did that. I mean, that was freaking unexpected. That's okay though. Could still go up. We got 8 seconds. Could shoot up. We got 6 seconds. 5 seconds. Is it going to shoot up? No, it's not going to. Okay, so we're on second trade already. That's okay though. That's okay. That's okay. That was a good. That was a textbook entry though. That happens sometimes. I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah, look at this chart though. That's what I was kind of saying tonight.
But
This
that
chart,
one. Okay, so this one went into a consolidation, but it did break. I mean, that was textbook entry point right there.
yeah, and
Um,
it was oversold. So I
and it
mean,
was at a good. Well, no, it was not quite down. I didn't have time to check the support, and it wasn't quite down to it. So, um,
mm, that's okay. I don't know
sorry.
about this one though. There's been one single green candle every time though down this row.
That
Uh,
might make a difference too. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I mean, it's kind of weird. I've seen some charts like that tonight. Seems like there's like one. Auden ZD is now going to go down. I think it's double crossing almost. It might break if it breaks this. It's got a line. Auden ZD has a line. At the bottom of that. If it
I don't
breaks
know,
this,
dude. This is well, it did it before. It had two red candles.
yeah, but they never broke this line. What if this candle can break the line? It's sitting on that line. You see what I
Well, if
mean?
it breaks it, it's the second red candle. So it's kind of a. I see that though. There is a pretty strong.
If it breaks this, it hasn't broken it yet though, because it's still got wick. It still could wick.
But
See,
then
it's
we
not gonna break it,
no. It's
but
kind of a
it's
line of
going to.
consolidation.
It is going to break it at some point. When it does, I think you could take the next candle.
I don't
Because
know because it's already kind of spent. We're looking for that turnaround with momentum, and this is not it.
yeah, but you still do have a MACD and a stochastic cross that's possibly going to happen. But you're right. I mean, well, the thing is this chart's going to do two things. It's either going to not break that line and it's going to start going back up, or
It's
it's going to
eventually
break that line and go to the white line, right?
right, but if it breaks it,
If it breaks
may
this
not do it
white
with a lot of
line,
force.
right? Just watch it because I think you've got yeah, it's kind of flat. I mean, even the MACD is kind of flat, but the MACD wants to cross. It's like it
Okay,
wants to, but it's
look at
not.
NZDJPY. NZDJPY stochastic is already in overbought. It's gonna hit a pretty hefty line of resistance up at the top. Here.
Right there, yeah.
It may not even go all the way up there. I don't know. You've got it marked, so it's either gonna hit that and then go back down. It's gonna hit some resistance there.
Right.
It's
And you should have
probably
420 in your trade.
yeah, that's what I've got. 420.
See, Auden ZD just broke that line, and it broke it big time.
You really?
Yeah, I mean, it's heading down to the white line, like I said it was going to.
But
'Cause
it's
it
a
double.
it's a
It's
a
too late
gamble
now.
because you don't know if it's gonna.
It's too late now. But when it broke that line, I think it's gonna go again.
But then,
'Cause
but then you've got the candle that broke it because the candle before it didn't broke. It was that
yeah,
single
the candle
candle
before
that
it
did.
didn't break it.
You would have had to have entered in the middle of that candle, and you don't know that it wasn't going to retract.
Right, right.
You know,
Or you'd have to enter now. I'm not sure that you
and
should.
now
But
it's kind of late.
is it going to the white line though? I mean, I don't know. I can't say for sure because it's double crossing out of oversold, but it could bounce back up because it's been kind of
Okay, keep an eye on NZDJPY because
NZDJPY is about ready to break that.
this is about to. Well, it's either going to go up or it's going to turn now. I don't know
Yeah.
because it's kind of like
Well, just watch it and feel what you feel because it's well, it might turn now or it might turn in the next couple candles. Like that's obviously there's
still has
wicks
a little
on.
bit of up pressure, but if it just turns and tanks, then see now it's still wanting to go up. Yeah, okay. It might
Yeah, it's
go.
not.
I hope it hits that resistance line. That way we know, okay, it is really now due to turn around because if we don't see that, then
It's
Then
kind of
we're-
at a line. The first line is right here, and yeah, that's probably more like the hard line. It's hit the hard line now. I moved the line down a little bit because that's about where the hard line has been hitting, right about there. Now, if this next candle,
So it's hitting the line right now.
it hit the line already, yeah. So if this candle breaks the bottom with some kind of force, then you can probably take it. It might actually go through that line, though. A lot of the candles have wicked through the line, at least.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
No, I think it's about to turn.
Yeah, just be sure. It's flat. The stochastic is pretty flat, but yeah, I mean, it's okay. So it's broke
Okay, so
down.
it's broke it.
Almost. It's still got the wick. It hasn't broke the wick yet, but let's see. Okay, now it has. So, I mean, if you think the next candle is going to go red, then
Well, right now it's kind of even. So
I'm not sure what candles mean. I'm not sure what wicks mean. Like if this ends, like
okay,
if this
you ready?
one's kind of, yeah, I'm ready. This is a good one. Yeah, I think that's got some down pressure. I mean, that ended with some down pressure.
Yeah, it's got a lot of down pressure. So I think this one is definitely definitely a good candidate for a win here. So I get
It's
these
holding down.
notifications about.
I'm
from-
telegramming people,
Gotcha.
and then I should telegram. Oh yeah, this is good. Look at that,
This is a good one. I like this strategy a lot.
Alejandro. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, that's a good solid win right there.
This is. Did you get a screenshot of this? Did you send that
I'm
out?
getting ready to. Was it 420?
It's a 420, buddy.
Flat bottom.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Boom. Boom.
Yeah.
All right. We gained a little bit of profit on that too. Not a lot, but a little bit.
Yeah.
Because we're doing makeups at 1.5% instead of 1.25. I'm going to reset now to $2.80.
Alejandro, this chart that we have now is so much better. So much
The
better.
strategy that we have now is so much better.
Yeah, the strategy is actually better too. I'm not sure how you're winning. It sounds like you're actually doing really good. However you're winning, just keep winning. Don't try to change ours. But financial strategy wise, this one's a little faster, a lot less wins.
I will say that the strategy, the actual trade strategy we're using, in my opinion, it is hands down the most accurate.
Intel, you got a couple seconds on Intel. 5 seconds actually. It's a flat bottom. It's actually you could call that. I mean, if you want to, it's pretty much textbook. It
Okay,
broke above.
I called it.
I mean, it broke above that candle. I mean,
It did. I called it. We got it, and it's in. Good catch there.
Yeah,
This
it's actually coming out of the bottom too. I mean, I guess this could turn around, but it's not like at a massive
It's
level.
got some up pressure, dude. So this could go up.
It's actually, I mean, it's hit a line. I think it's going up. The thing is that was a pretty prominent break of the previous candle. I mean, so if this follows your
go.
method, then you've
Oh
got
yeah.
it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Lord.
If
Look
it
at
holds
that.
up, if it
That
holds
one's
up,
going up. It's going up, buddy. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're
Come on
gonna
now.
get this.
Come on
We're
now.
gonna get this. Oh yeah.
Come on now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on.
There we
come
go.
on. Come on. Come on. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Hold it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First win. First win. Well, technically the second, but first profitable win.
Well, that's good. Yeah, that was a fast, dude. I'm
Good
glad you
catch
grabbed
on
that
that,
one.
dude. Good catch on that one.
Yeah, I'm glad I caught that one.
That was textbook too. Yes, that was textbook.
Well, that's the only reason I said it, because I mean it was everything. I just glanced at it.
Did
and
you
was like,
see that the indicators were in over sold?
Yeah, I saw everything.
Yeah, so you
it
saw
only
everything.
took me a
Yep,
couple
good
seconds.
catch.
I just
Good
glanced
catch,
at it and said, yeah, that's. I mean, but that was clearly breaking above the other one, and it was in oversold. So
Okay. Apple. What? Yes, and we're overbought.
Let me look. Yeah, Apple looks good. Yeah, you take it. I'd take it
5 seconds. 4, 3,
as long as it doesn't
2,
do too much
1.
retraction.
Boom. Oh yeah. Good position on it too.
Yeah. Well, good thing you didn't get it when it jumped.
I got it when it retracted a little bit.
Right.
And then
that's interesting. I mean, that one is definitely got a cross, and it's going to cross. That's going to be another big win, dude. I think.
dude, I think we might have found a strategy that could just about clean out the broker.
We don't want them to get mad at us, huh?
No, we don't. Right now, they probably heard us say that, and they're in there figuring out the algorithm. Okay,
Probably in there figuring out how to stop your payments right now.
Yeah. So this is going to go down. I think this is going to push down further. I tend to think this is definitely.
It's about ready to MACD double cross. I wouldn't do anything else because we're fine. This one's it's got to hold down. It's interesting how when it breaks down, it actually breaks down. It's very interesting. I find this to be a very interesting strategy.
Boom! That's 2 solid wins there, buddy.
Okay. Well, it's 3 in a row. That's 3 in a row.
Oh well, yeah, you're right. That's 3 wins in a row.
You've only got to get to 425, basically.
Okay, so we got 2 more wins, and we are actually cleared the level.
Yeah. Oh, that's not going down. Look at that. That's going back up. I'm glad we didn't push that.
Really?
Well, according to my indicators.
That's what I say. Like, based on this strategy, you can only rely on the second breakout candle. You got the first breakout, and you go for that second one, and that's your momentum right there. After that, all bets are off.
Yeah, even though I thought the MACD was going to cross, see, it didn't. I would have been waiting for that MACD, and I would have even anticipated it.
See, basically, I'll tell you what the strategy comes down to. It's, you remember when you used to trade on the MACD, you used to wait for that cross?
Yeah.
This is basically, I found an indicator in just the candle itself. I've used the candle itself as an indicator to be the precursor to that MACD, where all that momentum is. Forget the alligator or any of that. When you see the candle engulf the trend color candle, then you know it's going down. And that's what this is. And what are you on there, Visa?
I'm on Visa. I've drawn the line. It's getting up to a line. Okay. It may end up, when it gets up there, it may turn around. It's overbought like crazy.
Oh, it is.
This is ripe for a turnaround, and it's hitting now, look at right this. Now.
None of the other candles. Okay, there was one red candle that engulfed, and it had a massive wick. There was one more that did it down towards the bottom, but it was closer to the white line, and that one.
Yeah, you keep focusing on that. Wait till it's going to have to go up a little bit. I think it's going to go up until it goes down. Alejandro says he's been in this since November, but I didn't come up with a strategy till March, blowing up accounts since I've been modifying it and studying the indicators to make it better. I would love to hear your strategy, because I know you're winning really good right now, Alejandro. A little since November, December, January, February, March. So 5 months. Yeah.
That's we've been at it for a year and a month.
So, yeah, we've been at it for a year and a month, and we're basically doing the same thing, blowing up accounts, just starting and stopping, blowing it, starting and stopping, blowing it, and we've been tweaking the financial. We've been tweaking the financial strategy on one hand and the trading strategy on the other, and we've sort of been back and forth on, probably 50 different strategies. We've probably had 30 different financial strategies and 30 different trading strategies that we've tried. Mm-hmm. And every one of them kind of evolves from the last one. So I hope that our sheets, our financial sheets, I think are probably our best thing so far. Okay, so here's what's going to happen.
Look at Visa.
Okay, Visa it basically hit resistance there. If this one,
so is this a
you feel it, because that's at a pretty much, well, I don't know, I moved my line. Sorry, I moved the line on accident. That line is right there, is the line.
I'm not looking at your screen, so you tell me what you're seeing.
Yeah, you think
this candle is the one?
I think so. Yeah, I do think so, actually.
Okay, because we're going to take it if so.
It's broken, that one.
It's already broken down.
Unless it does some wild retraction here, you already pretty much hit the resistance line. I mean, you were a fingernail away from it.
Okay, it's
I don't
pulled up
know.
above the wick.
Yeah, I don't know. This is getting kind of
This
weird.
yeah. I don't know. I think I'm gonna abort the mission.
Wait, I
here.
don't know. Wait, because it might have down pressure. I think you can go for it.
All right,
It's,
we'll
it's
take it.
you might as well. I mean, I think it's going. I mean, it's kind of volatile, but look at the stochastic, dude. Stochastic's already down.
Yeah,
and
it
already
is.
hit.
It's down.
It already hit resistance.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It kind of scared me there at the end, but the fact that it really engulfed the previous
It's definitely
candle.
pushing down. This is
it-
definitely going to be another win.
Yeah, I thought if you waited, we were going to lose it because
Yeah. Yeah, because now it's broken that other green candle.
Yeah, now we would have been screwed if we waited. I had a feeling. See, you did precursor the MACD because look, the MACD is about to double
Yeah.
cross. The MACD is
Yeah.
about to cross, and when it does, it's a 50-50 chance that it's going to be another red candle. See,
Right.
like it's causing the MACD to cross now, but I bet you this next candle is going to be green from now.
Holy
From looking at
smokes.
this, I bet you
Yeah,
the next candle is
because
going
of
to be green.
that. Yeah, because of the size of this candle, I think it's.
It would
the next
surprise
candle-
me if this went down, but in my double cross strategy, I would actually be right now would be my entry point, and it would just be too late. It would be like crap, you know. It would be too late. Did you just win that?
We won it big. Yeah.
You only have $1 left. You only need $1 and like 30 cents left to win.
Really?
So you need basically one more trade will put us over the hump tonight, and it's only 31 minutes. So don't get too cocky.
Well, it's been 31 minutes.
Alejandro says he barely started implementing a financial plan, which is the one you came up with. I think in all my study in this last year of this, I think that financial strategy is as important as your trading strategy because
Absolutely.
we know people who had no financial strategy, but they would like be winning trades all day, and they would like win like $1,000, but then at the end of the day they'd lose it all because they would just
Yep.
keep like they're like I'm doing good, so I'm gonna increase my trades, and they would just come back, oh, I lost it all, and that's the thing. I think you got to have some sort of because I do the same thing
Did
whenever
we
I
miss
get
American Express? I think we did.
I don't know.
We're late to that one, but
Well,
So-
but American Express didn't engulf. That wouldn't have been
no.
an
Oh
entry.
yeah, no. It wouldn't have been an entry anyway because no, it didn't. You're right.
We got
Yeah.
Visa. All right, we need to find one more. Let me try to find another one. Oh, Auden ZD is about to do it right now. Auden ZD is at a line. It's at a strong, heavy line.
Okay.
If this candle engulfs, dude, I would take it.
Well, this looks just like the last one.
Yeah, I mean, it looks just.
If it had a big green candle, little green candle.
I mean, I don't know. Just be
That one-
careful
this
right here.
one's- Yeah, this one's not.
It's not
really-
completely overbought yet. It might. It's like it's not getting ready to turn down
This one
yet,
could
but
still go up.
it could still go up. But it's going to fight with that level. It's
It
gonna
is.
fight with that.
It's right at the level though. Yeah, it's gonna fight.
So I would not be surprised if this went ahead and went down. I wouldn't be surprised if it went up either. So
Nothing surprises me.
yeah. Okay, Alejandro says, me, I wait for rebound. Okay, so he waits kind of for yeah, it sounds kind of like what we're doing here.
A lot of junior high relationships are like that. You wait for a rebound.
That's what I would do. Now this one, dude, what do you think about this? I mean, it looks kind of
I don't know
consolidated.
because MACD is funny looking. It's not,
It's in the middle though.
it's got the
MACD.
dolphin look to it. So I feel like it's looking at this candle. It's still got a lot of up pressure. It's wanting to go up.
Yeah,
This
I'd
doesn't
say
look
let it
like a
go.
total turnaround to me yet. I'm
Okay.
not sold on it yet.
Yeah, let it go because I think you're right. It's already toyed that with that line a couple times. It hasn't broke it, so
Yeah, and actually, it's about to break it and go up.
yeah. I was gonna say, it's gonna break it,
So,
but it might only break it, and then this, you could get a red engulfing candle right now. So watch this one because I don't
because it
know.
could just turn really hard right now.
Yeah, I could just turn around and start going down. Once it breaks,
Just
once it
like that.
engulfs this, if it engulfs this
Mm-hmm.
and doesn't get down to the support line, then I'll tell you what I think. Yeah, I think you could probably take this next candle if it really engulfs it, but I don't know. It's kind of iffy.
It's got to have some force, and it's still pushing up.
Yeah,
Still
because
feel like it's
now that
just-
line of okay, so now it's
Now
broken
it's got
every
some
line.
force.
It's broken
Now
every
it's-
line now. It's gonna turn now.
Okay, but is this going to turn too hard too fast?
I don't know.
That's a massive candle already. I don't know. This one might be dangerous.
It's okay. Yeah, you can just hold off on it. It's not a big deal. because it might
Yeah,
bounce
too
back.
big. Abort. Yeah, this one is just went too far too fast. It just dove like if I
Yeah.
because
It's
I'll be
almost going to be the white
surprised.
line. It might just go back up. Yeah.
Yeah,
Dang it.
yeah. I mean, it may go down, but I wouldn't chance it. It's not worth it to me because we only need one more win to clear this
Right.
level,
Exactly.
and I mean these happen all the time.
Yeah. No, that was too big. That was. I mean, if you wanted to get that, you should have nabbed it right when it crossed through
Yeah,
the
when it
support
crossed
line.
through, right? And
That's what I was saying earlier. It's like it crossed through that support line. Once it did that, you could have probably entered, but now you never really know. It's probably going down to the white line, but we don't know.
we don't.
Let's not worry about it.
But Euro RUB is climbing, so it's very soon going to be. And MACD or stochastic is already overbought.
Yeah, it's going to hit a line. It's going to hit that line up there. It's actually kind of in a line of. It's in an area of quite a lot of resistance right now. But yeah, I think it's still going up for a bit because the MACD is heading up. I don't think it's going to bounce yet.
No, in fact,
Just give it some time. It will.
the 35 moving average is just now sweeping under it. You know, like it's
Yeah,
kicking
yeah.
into
It's
an
not.
uptrend.
It might go up for a good bit, but keep watching. I'll keep watching out. Oh, American Express, dude. Look at American Express right now. You've got a history of 2 red candles after this. It's been going up. It's kind of oversold. It's kind of broken above a line already. It might be heading back down to that line of resistance. I think if this engulfs, you could take it.
Yeah,
It might not.
I think it's going to.
It's kind of unsure, but yeah, I mean, you could probably take this one.
Think I should take it now, or?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's going down.
Yep. Okay, I got a little bit of a position on that.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, the MACD, I mean, the stochastic already crossed on that one. The last time it did that. Let's see. I don't know about this one. This one looks a little interesting, but it did engulf that candle, and it is.
It did, and it's overbought. So it's got 30 seconds. It could still push down, but we'll see. I don't know. It's pushing up pretty hard.
Geez, that's terrible.
Yeah, that is terrible. Crap.
That's crazy. That doesn't look right. Well, let's see. I don't know.
Oh, but it's tanking.
It might. You got 15 seconds. On this one, stochastic's kind of in consolidation. Yeah, it's kind of in there.
Yeah, we lost it. Can't win them
I mean,
all.
stochastic's turning down. I think stochastic's going to come out of consolidation right now. That's what I was hoping it would do. Is that stochastic's kind of been bouncing around up there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Okay, let's find. Go to 420.
420. I got that on the clock here.
Euro RUB in 27 seconds is actually broken. It's yeah. Euro RUB is kind of doing the same thing too.
Is it at a?
It already kind of no. It's kind of out of line. I'm not sure about that one. That's
It's
kind of a
overbought.
big
You want me
candle.
to take it?
Yeah, you could take that one. I mean, I don't know. It might be going down to the white line. I don't know. Yeah, you can take it if you want, if you feel it. It seems consolidation-y. But it broke down.
It's broken down.
The
stochastics.
the stochastic.
In the strategy, it's pushing down. It's pushing down. I think it's gonna go. Come on, go down.
It's in the strategy. Yeah, I mean,
go down.
It broke down below.
It's going. There we go. Push down. All right. This is gonna be pushing down. I think. It's gonna push. Come on.
You got
Go
30
down.
seconds.
Go down. There you go. Push down.
It's kind of farting. It kind of
Come on. Push down. We need a big push down here.
Is this
Come on.
consolidation? I mean, is it?
No,
but we have
this
to
ain't
be.
consolidation because this ain't. This is like. Come on, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. Push
Come
down.
on there.
Come on, we need a win here. Come on, push down. Oh goodness, no, not.
That
too
is a
close.
consolidation right there.
Oh my gosh.
So what Alejandro just mentioned, he said, isn't stochastic in consolidation, but at some point the stochastic has to come out of there. That's what we're anticipating, but poorly at this point. All right, you're going to 1050.
Mm-hmm. See, this is one where I don't know. Cause see, it's not up at the major line though.
Right,
See,
and that's what I was kind of thinking. Like,
so we got to find one that is a major turnaround line, like one that really wasn't. And that's the thing. This wasn't really at any kind of a true.
Well, it was kind of in a fart line of consolidation. I mean, look at all that. It was kind of in a mess. It wasn't at the top.
But
See,
it's
like, look
about
at
to
that.
hit one though. It's about to go up to there.
Yeah.
So, in fact, it's going to hit it in the next candle or two. And it is overbought, but
it's way overbought, and stochastic's kind of going up. I'm gonna go look and see what I can find. I'll try to give you some better entries.
find us a good one because we're on a third trade, so we want to.
Odd NZD. Look at odd NZD. I don't know. You're gonna have to look at that one and see what you think right away. It's not really got any lines above it because it's kind of high. But that candle just broke down. But that's a big candle.
Mm-hmm.
Stochastic is still up there. I don't know. I don't trust that one really.
Yeah, and not for a third trade. I don't trust this.
I don't know. I mean, it went up.
It's not overbought enough. It's not. The stochastic and MACD are both overbought, but it's also kind of like.
Yeah, it's been going up, and then it had a little bit of a down pressure. Then it went back up.
I'll kick myself if it goes down. Do you think I should take it?
I don't know. That's up to you if you feel it. I mean, it's following the strategy. So I don't know though. It's yeah. I mean, the stochastic's going down. If it comes back up, you could take it. I mean, if you feel like it.
There we go. We're in.
Come on now.
Oh, come on, Lord, give us a win. I need this to win. I really need this to go down and win.
Well, you followed your strategy. That's pretty much your strategy, dude.
Yeah.
You gotta follow your strategy, and you gotta stick with it. This one is
come on, you got it. All right, come on.
See, the stochastic is
on,
coming
keep
out.
going.
It's crossing through the 80 line, and I don't know if that matters, but by the time it does, by the time it crosses through the 80 line,
come on.
you've got
Come on. Push down, push down, push down.
15 seconds.
Come on.
Come
The
on.
problem is this candle's going to end, and if the next one goes up at all,
I think you're going to go down. You're going to go way down. Look at that. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Yes.
we
Yes.
got it. Oh,
Yes. Oh, wait a minute.
thank you, Lord. We got that one. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Dude, that was by the skin of your teeth. Literally, dude. My screen, it was like in, out,
Yeah,
and it was in for a second, and I thought we got it, and then it shot up through it, and I thought we lost it.
I thought so too. Yeah. Well, no, I saw when it ended. I was like, we got it. I saw it as soon as it ended, but I was like, I thought we're not winning this. We're not. It did what I thought it was going to do. That candle ended and it shot up green.
But you hesitated and waited, too many seconds after, and that was scary. But
we got it. We got it. We didn't go to a fourth trade. We got it.
Okay,
right.
you cleared the level.
We did. Did that one give us enough money?
Alejandro says the skin of my chinny chin chin ching. Yeah, chinny chin ching.
Dude.
Yeah, you exactly cleared it by 10 cents. You cleared the level by 10
Are
cents.
you freaking serious? That cleared the level?
Yeah, because you're at 1.5, dude. So if you
Okay.
get up into a third or fourth trade, it gives you quite a bit more profit than.
Okay, so that gave us
Well, what's your account sitting at right now? It should be at 425.
425.36.
There you go. You're above it by 9 cents.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we are into level
425. 36. Now, thank God you took that, because I had a feeling you were going to like not take it, because, you know, sometimes you second guess yourself and then you like pass up a winning trade. I think in this
I just wanted to
scenario,
make sure it was really going to do what I thought what we were hoping it would do. It barely did what we hoped it would do, but it did.
it did exactly what it did exactly what you thought it was going to do. You were just in a little bit late. See, I mean,
Yeah.
it ended red. That candle ended red,
Right.
but you for some reason that next candle just shot up green, and I thought,
Yeah, and
dude,
that's
that
what I was worried about. I was hoping that red candle would end a lot lower to buy us a few seconds before it got
it,
up to it and then just like shot up. And I was like,
yeah,
oh
I think if
crap.
we're gonna take it, we should just take it, because that almost
Right.
cost us, because you just waited and hesitated. Either take it or don't take it.
Right.
I mean, sometimes when it kind of,
Well, sometimes we take it and then the third candle goes red too, so it doesn't really matter. But um, yeah.
oh man, yeah, that was tough. So Alejandro, we're done with our session tonight. You take rebounds off. I mean, yeah, you said on a couple of those trades we took, you said the stochastic was in
Well,
consolidation.
the only trade we lost last night was only because of timing, because I entered halfway through a candle, you know.
Yeah,
The second candle did close out red, but I entered halfway through the first one red.
I think that's what I'm saying. If we're gonna do this, just enter. If we've decided it's broken it's doing it, bam, just enter. Because if you wait, you kind of risk getting too
But I entered
late.
early on the first candle. The
Yeah,
first
yeah.
candle, so it expired before the second one went down. The second one was green, like half the time, but it closed out as red. But it expired, on my.
So for example, like when he was saying, isn't stochastic, and we won this trade big,
Mhm.
stochastic looks flat, but then it starts to move down. But we anticipated that move because of this red candle clearing out.
Mhm.
Um, okay, so his says I focus on stochastic and I take okay, I focus on stochastic and take the second rebound of resistance or okay. So like when the candle hits a support line, and so you would have taken this second candle on this trade on my screen. You would have seen it hit the resistance line, and it goes down there, and then you would take the second candle, watching stochastic as stochastic comes out of. So as stochastic's coming out of oversold or overbought here, this would be a good entry point because it's coming out. And I've watched a lot of strategies that say like once this crosses the 80 line, you hit the rebound and it goes down. And this one did go down quite a ways. So that's what he's saying. He's taking the second rebound of resistance or support line. Okay, so the second rebound, so the second candle, and that's kind of like what we're doing. We entered on the second candle. When do you enter? Just clarify to me. You wait for it to rebound. You wait for stochastic to kind of start to turn out of overbought. You wait for it to hit that line. It like this red candle goes down, and you said you take the second rebound of resistance. Maybe you take the second candle or the second rebound. You wait for it to hit it. Sometimes it hits it and then it goes down, hits it again, and then maybe he's talking about that rebound because sometimes it hits the line, then it goes down, then it hits the line again, and then it goes way down. Either way, you
I
sound like
honestly
you.
have no idea of anything you're saying. It breaks support and then goes, but okay, so when it breaks through and then you're waiting for like a retraction. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So it goes through it, but then you take you take like a call. Like let's say it breaks down through it, you take a call and then anticipating that it's gonna break through or pull back up and retract, and then you got your call line way down here and the candle pulled back up to here. Is that what you're saying? Like when you see it go through a support line or a resistance line, then you take either a call or a put, and then wait for it to, retract back through the line. Is that what I understand?
I don't
Am I
know what you're
understanding
saying.
that
We're
correctly?
probably confusing the heck out of Alejandro. Okay. I'm thinking I thought he was saying, okay, so here's the thing. Here's what I'm thinking he's saying. I think he's saying it goes through support, it goes through here, then it comes down, then it goes through again, and then it breaks down. So you take the put, like on this scenario, you wait till it breaks it comes down, it breaks it again, and then you take a put when it goes down and rebounds. Yes.
Or do you take it as soon as it goes through?
Are you taking 1 minute trade? Just tell us everything you're doing.
You taking
I
a
don't
1 minute trade? Is that what you're doing?
He's probably taking like maybe more like 3 to 5 minute trades if he's doing this rebounding thing off support, because it kind of does that. He's winning though. That's the thing. He's winning, which is good.
So are we.
Yeah, finally.
Finally, I'm really confident in our strategy. I mean,
It only took 13 months.
Yeah, it took us 13 months, but dude, this strategy's freaking awesome. He's taking 2 minutes and 30-second candles. No, 2 minutes, 30-second candle. Okay, so, all right, I'll leave it at that.
Yeah, he's taking 2 minutes and 30. He's taking the take the second rebound of resistance or support. Yeah, so basically the second rebound, it goes up, it hits it, goes. So like on this one, I think he would take a 2.5 minute put right here. This is what I think he would do. I think right here, he would see it go through. It would go through support, come down. It would go up again, break it again, and then boom. I think he's taking that.
So what is our trades tomorrow?
But I could be totally wrong. Don't listen to me, people. I'm just making up stuff. What I think, because it does kind of do that when you come up here. The other thing I think he could be saying, and I see this happen a lot, it comes up, it hits this line, it goes down, and then it comes up, it hits this line again, and then he probably puts a 2.5 minute put. Boom, 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 boom. He'd win, because I've seen this happen a ton. When it hits these lines, it hits them multiple times. It'll try to break it. Like this one right here is another one. It goes up, it hits this line, it gets rejected. It goes up, hits this line again, it starts going down. He probably thinks there's the bounce, and wherever he takes his 2.5 minutes, he would have won. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
What's our trades for tomorrow? I'm just gonna write them down now.
Okay, yeah, let's do our tomorrow sheet. Tomorrow's sheet is gonna start out at we have to win 11.27. Hold on, we have to win. No, next trading balance will be 51.54.
Make it 51.50 just to sound Van Halen-ish.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
51.50.
The trades are getting higher by the night here.
Yeah, 40. So 2. So they're 290.
It only went up 10 cents.
This time, yeah, and then it's 440.
Okay, so 290, 440.
11.
Even.
Yeah.
Okay.
27.50.
All right.
Okay. 53. So we're supposed to win 105. Well, we're supposed to be winning 11.14. So, I'm using my account balance as the goal, so I'll know when you hit your goal. Because I'm adding $11 to my account balance because I can see my balance every time. That's how I knew you reached your goal, because I was following my balance up.
How much do we win each time?
We win 11.14 tomorrow. $11.14 tomorrow. We'll be clearing level 5 tomorrow, which will be amazing. We'll be actually at level 6, so one more day we'll be fortified back to 3. Tonight was a little bit scary, but I think that we just need to buy.
Just that one time. We really only went that deep once. That's all it takes. But
went to a third trade, which still wasn't totally scary, but it was, because that was a slim
win.
That was a slim win, yeah. So I think I nailed Alejandro's plan. He's using 1 minute candles, making 2.5 minute trades, I believe. He's using like the double bounce, and he's taking a 2.5 minute retraction, a bounce, off the support or resistance, which
sometimes it goes through and sometimes it don't.
But like what what you see with him, and it seems like it would take forever to set that up.
to find that, yeah.
But I mean, it does happen a lot. I mean, like this goes down, it hits it, goes down, it goes through it. I don't know what he would think there. Then it goes up, hits it, then it goes down. So that's blown. I mean, you'd have to keep going. You'd have to find like a chart that was kind of hitting a level. Or I guess he could look back and be like, okay, it hits this level, goes down, hits this level, and it goes down. And as it starts going down, it goes down. So yeah, I mean, he's actually, I know he's winning a lot of trades. So that's good. All right, so tomorrow our trading session is going to be more in the afternoon.
It is.
I hope so. It'll be at 92%. Right.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I could because I don't work until later on. You know.
You don't work at all. Well, yeah, 4. Okay, yeah. So you could totally.
It's Wednesday, but I got
So we could do like
tuning. So I'm gonna go study a little bit more. I want to master
all right, Alejandro.
stochastics. Good night. Yeah, have a good night, buddy.
That was a good night for us. We'll see you tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. I'm thinking let's trade around noon, which would be 1 o'clock your time. That was 56 minutes. All right. So, all right. That's it for tonight. Thanks. Watch us. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Also, we're on Spotify. We're on iTunes, and you can get our trading charts in our Google Drive. Just join us on Telegram or join the inner circle at fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. And we're trying to clear this up. We're trying to make this a real reality. And I think we're getting closer. I feel pretty good about it tonight.
We are getting closer. We're doing really good.
Yeah.
Tonight
really
was a good night. So, I mean, I thought tonight was good. Last night was better. But it was the same. We won.
Yeah. No, tonight was fine, dude. I mean, we stuck with our method. All right. Good for you. See you. Yep. Good night, everybody.
Good night.